No problem at all. I'll just have a...
Hey, I think we'll start at the K-Bar. The VIP room should give us what we need.
Hey, it's your town, man.
So you producing for Sonny?
Yeah, just this one time. Man, that guy's a piece of work.
He's a fucking clown, you ask me.
I'm glad you said it first.
Buddy does good business, makes everyone a lot of money. But as far as his personality goes...
Good to know we're on the same page. The fact is, I got some other business to discuss. But I don't think my partners back in the States will want to be in bed with that guy.
What kind of business?
I got friends, guys I grew up with. They got a real good import and retail thing going. Yeah, but they could use a good Hong Kong angle. Access to that good Asian product, you feel me? It's the reason I took the producing gig was I heard Vivian and her label had connections.
Who they are? To me.
Well then. I guess this is gonna be like one of them old school business meetings. Where you show me around town and try to figure out if we're a good fit.
Yeah, man. K-Bar.
Good evening, gentlemen.
We'd like the VIP karaoke room?
It's right this way.
Yo, hold up. Now don't tell me you and me are gonna sing to each other. I mean, I'm here for the local flavor, but not that local.
Let me find us the right kind of audience. Hey there, what's your name?
Katushka.
I'm Wei. So listen, I saw you looking at my friend and I figured you realize he's a famous American celebrity. And I just wanted to ask if you mind keeping it a secret.
Ooh, how can I say no?
Or if you're not doing anything, maybe I can buy you silence with a drink. Want to join us?
That's very nice of you.
So you're from Russia?
Yes. How'd you guess?
Call it a hunch.
Oh, you.
Here, have a seat. I'm gonna find a few more people to join us. Hello, ladies.
Hey, Mr. VIP! Want to buy us girls a drink?
I don't know. My friend and I gonna enjoy your company?
Try us on and see what you get.
All right. Why don't you join my friend in there? I'll be in a second.
How about you and I go find ourselves a hotel room?
You okay, miss?
Hey, poor guy, that's my girl. Why don't you fuck off?
Hey, you're drunk.
Better watch it, boy.
Guy seemed like he was getting a little pushy.
We get that a lot.
You work here?
Yes.
So, you allowed to join the customers for a drink?
Oh, that sounds nice.
By the way, I'm Wei.
I don't think I've seen you here before. I'm Ilyana.
Yeah. I usually don't come to places like this. I'm here for my friend.
Well, if you ever want to hang out at places not like this, let me know.
I'd like that. Can I call you?
Thanks. Give me a call sometime.
Damn, Wei. Who knew Hong Kong was full of such beautiful women?
Friendly too.
How do you not know Hong Kong had beautiful girls? You just had to come to the right place.
Well, I expect you girls to make sure King never makes that mistake again.
You can count on us, baby. We love American men. Don't we, Tina?
All right, Way. Why don't you show us what you got?
Come on, Way. Let's see those lungs.
I'll show you mine if you show me yours.
My parents spent all this money for my school, and I haven't been promoted in 5 years. Maybe I should just sell the drugs or something. Easier than I make money.
Breaking rocks in the hot sun. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won. I needed money 'cause I had none. I fought the law.
Oh, wow, he looks so cool.
I fought the law and the law won. I left my baby and it feels so bad. Guess my race is run.
Oh, yeah. Bring it, baby.
You really have charisma.
The hits just keep coming. Keep it going.
That was so good.
You got balls. I'll give you that. Oh, yeah. Hey, Way. Hey, come get a picture of this, will you? Way here has been promising me a taste of Hong Kong.
I'll give you a taste.
Yeah, nice. Oh, yeah. Bring it, baby. Come on, let's bounce. And you know what? You give good tourists, Way.
That's my town, least I can do.
No, Way. Don't think I'll forget that, man. Come on, our people will like you, huh? You got the right fare. Too many motherfuckers say all you gotta do is jump back and wear the right colors.
There you are. I've been waiting for you, a stable guy.
Stand back, kid.
Stand back! You crazy? This is icing on the fucking cake. That's some nasty ass shit you got going on. Remind me not to fuck with you. Alright, so listen, man. I'm going back in a week or so, alright? I'll tell my boys I got the man for them.
All right.
They'll want to start slow, but I'm guessing they can move as much product as you can ship. This could be huge, man. These boys got some big ideas, too. I'm talking all the legit shit their money goes into gotta go somewhere. You feel me? And the feds back home are really cracking down. Brothers might be looking for a little offshore stash. Yeah. And the man who set that up kept it safe. Yeah, he'd have a whole river of green to deal with. You feel me?
Well, I could swing that for you. I still got contacts stateside who could set up the other side of things.
Mm-hmm, hell yeah. Yo, you ever work in movies, Wade?
Nah, too much bullshit. I mean, look at Sonny Walk.
Nah, man. Come on, that's what's good about it. Everybody's a fucking moron. You come in with muscle and money, and you too can call the shots.
You got a point.
All right, here you go.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Really. It's real cool to meet you. We'll see you around.
Yeah, for sure. Hopefully first night of many.
Well,